and welcome to another episode of Dustbusters. In today's episode, we're going to show you how you can protect the contents of your cupboard and your wardrobe, including all your clothes, from dust during renovations. Most cupboards and wardrobes have gaps along the sides of the door, as well as by the keyhole where dust can pass through. And in most renovation projects, they do generate fine particles of dust that can go through the smallest of gaps. So to seal the gaps in your wardrobe and your cupboards, we recommend that you use a blue multi-surface tape that comes with each purchase of a zip door. This blue multi-surface tape is gentle on most surfaces and allows for 14 days clean removal. If you can't get hold of this multi-surface tape, you can also use a masking tape that you can get from any hardware store. And remember, whatever tape you use, always apply a small test strip to the surface to ensure clean, damage-free removal. Let's see how we can seal this cupboard using the blue multi-surface tape. We apply the tape to the gaps in the cupboard and we drag them along, ensuring that the gaps are sealed. The tape tears easily by hand. Let's seal up the rest of the gaps in the cupboard. And don't forget the keyhole. So we've just demonstrated how to seal off a wardrobe using blue tape. However, you could use the same technique to seal off a cupboard in your kitchen or a cupboard in your bathroom, depending on where you are doing your renovations. So, would you use tape to seal off your cupboards in your next renovation project? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, click like, subscribe to our channel, and remember to visit dustguard.co.za for more tips and tricks on how you can contain dust in your next home renovation. Thanks for watching and see you next time.